Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel today. Today I'm just painting it's like an 8x8 canvas, could be 10x10, can't remember right now, but just using some simple colors. I've got some titanium white, some orangey red, I can't remember the exact color, but I'll have to try to read that tube there. But I pulled out a few that were similar, and a cerulean blue, and I am going to add two more colors actually, Payne's gray and then a medium yellow later on. Just doing some simple layering of color, just as simple as you can see it right there with like a moppy kind of fluffy filbert brush. And then just kind of making sunset vibes here with the sky. Wasn't completely sure where I was going, but you know, I was having fun. So I'm layering on some more colors there. And sort of smoothing them all out and then drying in between each layer. And so, yeah, I hope you check out the links down below. And thank you for joining me today. Hit that like and subscribe. And I hope you're doing well. I'm going to go in now with some Payne's gray, and I'm kind of making the ground there and building up some hills. And I was going to put some trees in. I didn't do my finest work on the trees, but, you know, in the end, I was happy overall with the painting, and it was fun to do. It was a good creative exercise. This is a Payne's gray, which is great because it's not this pure shocking black, which is fine, but you could use black if you've got black. But this is just a little less than that, and so I didn't like that pine tree-ish thing I did on the right, so I was trying to change it into something else. And then I'm doing some reflections on the water there and bringing back in some of that white. Just layering and layering. That's all there is to it for these kinds of things. Obviously, this is not realism, but then bringing on some of that sunlight that's going down there on the sunset, and I can't think of the word, and putting some highlights in there, and it seemed a little too stark to me, so I brought in that little fluffy brush, which is a great brush I use a lot, just to kind of dab out some of that ink. And then I went back in with the Payne's gray and trying to give some shape to those trees, and then thought I'd throw some splatters on there. Wasn't my greatest splattering moment, but yeah, it is what it is. Not every day is perfection. That's okay. Part of the process of learning. And anyway, going back in, just again, like I said, layering. This is super simple, just a few colors. Now I'm bringing in some yellow. I was trying to paint there above that black part, that sun going down, and then giving that yellow light. And that's all there is to it today, guys. I hope you try that out, or at least inspires you to get down into your room and play. Thanks so much for joining me, and have a great day.